start arranging yourselves. Okay, if you're in this front row here, you're either sitting on the floor, sitting in the desk. Okay, if you're in the back, you're standing. Stadium viewing here is what we need. Shorty's over there, you're not going to be able to see.
What up, John? What's going on, bro? What? I really don't care, dude.
Alright, folks. Now,
don't sit on my desk, please.
Don't sit on the top, Brandon. Okay. What we're about to show you is something called nitrogen triiodide. That's Ni3 is given the formula. Okay, it's been kind of described as taking 3 bowling balls, chemically combining them with the tennis ball in the middle, and then cramming them into a Dixie cup. Okay, think about that. Okay, 3 big things trying to touch a small thing in a small amount of space. Now, when this stuff is wet, it's fine. You can almost make a bouncy ball out of it. But as soon as it dries, okay, you make some with water. As soon as all the water is evaporated off, okay, it's very unstable. The slightest touch, the sound will set it off. Now, for those that are in Mr. Trussell's 7th hour, okay, heard it. Okay, and it's described very loud. Now, the other thing this produces is, well, the 2 products of this is nitrogen gas, N2, and iodine gas, I2. Now, the iodine gas will be purple. Now, this is a decomposition reaction with a motion catalyst. So above your arrow, you draw, I don't even know what you draw.
I write the word motion.
Motion.
Agitation.
Vibration, agitation. Now, with this, okay, it's very loud. Basically, I'm going to say fire in the hole. That's at that point you go like this. Now, the problem with making this is it's the toughest explosion I make all year, because it takes about 2.5 hours to dry, and if it dries too soon, like at 2:15 versus 2:25 when I want it to be dry, it goes off. Okay. After that, I'll be doing my cannon. So right now, if you get a little upset because the explosion doesn't work, I'm sorry. It is very tough to make. You try it. Okay? Not really, though. It is tough. Okay.
I would do it. Give me the stuff.
You want to do it to my property, huh? Get your fucking face away. Oh yeah, I'm sure.
Shut up, Brandon.
Ooh, shit.
Little touch. Now, how much was that? Okay, that was if you took a sugar packet. I gotta wait for the ringing to stop. You took a sugar packet, ripped it in half, poured half of it off, then poured a little bit on a piece of paper. That's how much I made. I can make gallons of this stuff, and we can have a sunroof in this room if we wanted. Okay.
Do it.
Next, I'm going to do Keen's cannon. Okay. This cannon, if I get it too big enough, I can shove a watermelon in it and, you know, send it about 100 yards or so. Okay. We're going to use acetylene gas. Now, for all the chemistry students, you've already seen the balloon that's filled with acetylene. Okay. Now I'm going to fill a cannon with acetylene and have a movable end. It's going to be a towel. Now acetylene is made from calcium carbide and water. If I had calcium carbide,
It's down by the base of the cannon.
So you take this little rock here and add water to it. And its byproduct is acetylene. What's the other one?
Oxygen.
Oxygen. So henceforth something to burn. This one will be louder. So when I say fire in the hole, maybe have your friend put their hands over your hands. Okay? We don't care about your friend.
Really?
Get that later.
Yeah.
We're not even going to see it explode.
Can't plug your ears.
I don't care. Honestly, care less. As long as it doesn't ruin my camera, I don't care. Watch, it's gonna blow up like right in his hand. That would suck. Well, can we see what the fuck is going on? What the hell?
Alright, we gotta let this steep a little bit for anyone that's... We gotta let it cook a little bit. Now, Mr. Trussell's gonna go test to see if there's any of that stuff left over. Listen up. No?
No.
How was the other one with?
No, man.
Okay.
Damn.
Nope. So on lab cleanup day, if you're in this room, be careful for that stuff.
Okay. More or less okay.
Alright, I need a friend to hold my ears while I like this.
One stupid
If you
idea
can
between
see
two
the
people.
PVC pipe, please find a little different spot. Because I don't want, just in case the
can
whole
see it.
PVC decides to break. Okay? I don't want shards of PVC.
I get a really good look of it right here.
Mock car crash meeting is going on at this time in the assistant principal's conference room. The mock car crash meeting is going on at this time in the assistant principal's meeting room.
Can't be that loud.
Cover your ears.
I can't.
Fire in the hole!
That wasn't that loud.
Dude, I felt the thing vibrate.
I know, dude.
Now, folks!
You feel that vibrate?
Show me.
Last time!
Someone's crying.
Now, here's the thing. We like our job.
Nancy Ross, you have a phone call on 767.
Mr. Keene, please call.
767.
We like our job. What you saw today, we've practiced many, many times, and it's worked. Mostly successful. I still have 10 fingers and 10 toes and some hearing. Do not try this at home. Do not experiment at home. Because you probably don't have goggles, you probably don't have safety shields,
my
you
ears are
probably don't
ringing.
have a snazzy jacket like this. Okay? We teach you chemistry to show you so you don't go out on curiosity
Good
and try it
point.
yourself. Okay? It was a lot of fun. I'm glad you came. Okay? Thank you for coming. I'm glad to see this many people are excited about chemistry. Have a good night. Drive safely.